Who me, not you. Oh yes, Lucy, I even did your man style, but I love your profile. Whisper in your ears, got you all shook up, but don't blush. Just keep this on the hush. True. True. Ladies, welcome back, all my bosses. If you are still here and you're still tuning in, you're a trooper. You are loved, you are appreciated, you are everything. You are my everything, you are my everything. Okay, so I am gonna be doing a blue look today. Once again, I'm really testing it out. I don't have a plan. I'm just gonna put makeup on and hope for the best possible look. I'm here with another wig. I got a lot of wigs. Well, I got enough wigs for this to have worked out for me to put on a new wig with every look, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. But before we get into it, I want to make sure you guys do one thing for me, and that is to subscribe to my channel. You've already seen yellow, you've already seen red, you've already seen green, and now we are here doing blue. And you know, I should be snatching this one, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna be snatched regardless, baby girl. So stay tuned for the look, and I'm gonna go ahead, put some music on, rock out, and we're gonna just go ahead and get this baby started, period.
All right, ladies, so I'm just starting it off by tying my hair back, putting her behind my head so that the hair is not in my way. You already know I'm always singing and jamming, so we're gonna get straight into the brows. I love a good brow. I had to brush my hairs up to get them right, and I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. And as I said in a couple of videos prior, my eyebrow process on how I do it is listed on my channel. You can see specifically how I do my brows by themselves, so that you can all watch that if you want a more in-depth version of what I'm doing. So right here, I'm going in under my brow with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Tan, which is number 45. And this was a really good brow day. I feel like all of them was good, but this was really good. It was exceptional. I'm definitely seeking some new eyebrow products, so you already know, like, let me know in the comment section what are some things that you use to do your brows. So I'm using Chestnut by LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight the top of my brow, and it just looks so good. So I had to use the spoolie just to fix the shape up a little bit, because the concealer definitely did go over more of my eyebrow than I wanted it to, so I just fixed that up. I'm just covering up a few of my dark marks that I have, and I'm going ahead and I'm putting some concealer on my eyes. And we already know the concealer will act as a primer, and we're gonna blend that baby in. And you want to make sure when you blend it in, it's as even as possible so it doesn't cause any issues when you're putting on your eyeshadow. And I'm going in and I'm setting my eyes with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This time I didn't end up putting on a whole lot. I feel like there was a couple of times that I just like went ham and I was like, why did I put on so much setting powder? Like, it was way too much. But y'all already know me, big trial and error. So I'm going in with a palette, the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And this transition color that I'm using is like practically my skin color, so you can't really see it that well. At least I feel like I can't really see it that well, but it's definitely there. And I'm using a lighter shade, like a nude, to place on my eyelid. With this blue look, I'm not really going ham with the eyeshadow, which is why I sped up this entire process, because the important part for the look is going to be the liner that I use. And I also didn't prime my eyelid a secondary time because it wasn't necessary for the look that I was going for. And now that you see the lighter color, I feel like the transition shade is more present. And I'm using a dark brown on my outer corner, and I'm just brushing it in upward into the eye. But you want to deposit that color right into the corner of the eye. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I am not a fan of putting eyeliner on camera, but I had to do it for you guys because this is the major part of the look. So this is a matte eyeliner by NYX in the color blue. It's definitely royal blue. I feel like on camera it looks more teal because of the lighting, but it comes on royal blue. Make sure you go and check out my social media at Black Girl Joy on Instagram so you guys can really see how prominent that blue looks. Like, I was like, she bad as it gets. Hey, this was really difficult for me to try to get this eyeliner to be as like popping as possible for y'all on camera, but I think I did pretty well. Let me know. I'm looking at it like, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line the other eye. We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray! Nalisimos. I did it. Bum, 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 bum. I did my eyeliner on camera for you guys. I'm sure y'all are just gonna get so tired of my animations, but this is really how I be. So I'm going ahead and just putting on some mascara, and I'm just gonna go ahead after this and put my lashes on off camera and come back to complete the face. Now let's get into it. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Concealer in the color 365, and I really am loving this. foundation, I think that this is gonna be like probably my summer fave as well, because it's so skin like it's not super cakey. I'm sorry y'all, there was some strands of hair that was just all up in the way. It's not super thick. It is very skin like even just this look alone, like I wouldn't have a problem to just flex like that, no highlight, no nothing, like, because it looks so good. Like, it just makes my skin look super even. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with the Maybe Fit Me concealer in the number 45. Blend it, baby. Beat it up, ayy. Beat it up, ayy. Beat it up. Beat that face. Beat it up. Beat it up. So I'm using my beauty blender. As you know, you want to dampen it before you get into blending, so that the beauty blender does not soak up all of the product. You want it to deposit on your face so that you can be beat. Period. And I'm gonna go ahead right here and get this contour on with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 65, I believe also known as coffee. And this contour was really great. Like, I feel like I don't know, I feel like I outdid myself. Like, sometimes I just look at my makeup and I'm like, you're getting so much better. Like, with every single look, I feel like there's just improvement, you know? So you just want to go ahead, blend out that contour. You already know the deal. And if you don't know the deal, check out my videos. So I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face. I just pat some into my cheeks first because I feel like it allows it to set really well. It provides that no flashback type of look. And I'm gonna go in a second time just to add some more that will act as my baking layer. So I'm using the NYX white eyeliner to line my waterline. I don't do a super thick layer because I don't want it to be super duper like bright, but I feel like the white added like an extra pop. I'm lining my lips. Same lip liner that I used in my last video. I use this lip liner for the yellow look as well as the green look. For the red look, I used a more like cherry color. And we're just gonna dust away that powder. Dust it away. And you see how matte she is looking? She's looking flawless, okay? Period. And I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze it up to bring some color back into my face, bring back some of that life to make sure everything is looking good, looking clean, looking fresh. And I'm using my Black Radiance medium to dark contour kit, the highlight as my highlighter. And this is the NYX Buttercream in the color London. And I'm just using some clear gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. And moi. lovely, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, take down this ponytail, and voila, a whole baddie. Okay. You see me, girl? Yes.
Alright ladies, so I'm done my blue look. This is so much like calmer than all of my other looks, but I can't stand the fact that I feel like this blue liner looks so much brighter in person than it does on camera. So it's really irritating me, but it's okay because as I did with the others, I am gonna be taking pictures and I am gonna be taking a little video snippet in the other area. Let me put on my hair accents and my blue attire. But no, I really like this look. Oh wait, I forgot my beauty marks. Got my beauty marks on now. They're just so cute. I don't care what nobody has to say. If you don't like them, then don't do it. It's okay. Everybody has their own thing, you know. Want to put the white first. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do some blue and white clips this time. Every other time I only did one color, but the blue and white together looked really cool when I tried it earlier, but clearly this clip and I are not working out. All right, boom. So I'm not sure if I want to do like, no, I definitely want to do a darker blue. So I didn't get like a royal blue clips, but in the video she does have on like a royal blue color, which my liner is definitely royal blue. On camera it's not coming up royal blue, which I don't know what we're gonna do about that. But let me put my blazer or top, whatever top I'm gonna put on, and I'm gonna come back real quick. All right ladies, so I got my blue top on and I'm really feeling myself. Like, I feel like I'm feeling myself because I really would like pop out with this. Honestly, I would pop out with all of the looks, but make sure y'all comment down below which one was your favorite. I honestly don't know which one is my favorite. This is also one of my favorite wigs, so I kind of feel like it's swaying my opinion. But I think my favorite eye makeup definitely might have been the green eye makeup. My favorite outfit is probably this blue top. And my favorite hairstyle honestly would be the yellow with the bun on top and the curly hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you didn't see the other videos. So you know what that means? You gotta tune in. You got to tune in. Like, if you ain't tuned in, I don't know what to tell you. You missing out, honey. You are missing out for sure. But I love you all. Thank you so much for just watching and joining in this journey and this process. This was really, really fun. Can't wait to show y'all the pictures. If you want to see them, definitely check me out on social media at blackgirljoy with 2 underscores. All my info is below in the description box. And you know, be a part of the boss family because you are a boss. Period. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Like, I had so much fun with this. You guys should let me know, like, should I try other colors just because, or like, what do y'all want to see? Like, what do y'all want to see? This was really like a fun thing for you all, to show you all like the versatility of just hair and makeup and everything. Like, I am really just in love, and this process really just brought me back to life almost, because I've been struggling, you know, but this process had me feeling like, damn, I'm a different girl every day. That's what he said. He got a different girl every day of the week. Well, no, they don't got a different girl every day of the week. It's still Angie. But the whole point is that I had a lot of fun. This was just such an enjoyable thing. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay? gonna need you to do that. I'm gonna need you to do that.